Hi everyone, today what we're doing is we're doing a product review on Lightlife since 1979 white bean and kale veggie deli slices. Come and see how I put this together.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
There is 3.5 servings. You can see there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 slices. Let's see, it says here serving size is 3 slices. So that would be, those slices would be 90 calories, 3 grams of fat, no saturated fat, no trans fat, no cholesterol, 340 milligrams of sodium. So if you're worried about your salt, you do have to be careful. Total carbs are 7 grams, fibers 2 grams, 1 gram of sugar, and 11 grams of protein. So that's quite a bit. We're going to put it inside of Laura Lee soft and smooth whole grain white hamburger buns. We're going to add some red leaf lettuce to it, a ripe tomato, and some stone ground mustard. So first thing off, what I did is I trimmed off the red leaf lettuce from the stem. I took the stems and I'm going to throw them in our compost pile. Then what I did next is I chopped up a couple slices of tomato. Here, I'm going to show you this right now. Okay, so this is going to be a really fast sandwich. And after that, so today is Tuesday. And why is that important? Because on Tuesdays I volunteer. You've probably already seen my other volunteer show where I dressed up in my uniform. Alright, so then next thing I do is I'm going to, and again, like last video, I was in a hurry. I'm in a hurry now. So get this to cooperate to this. Here it is. So this is not vegan mustard. We got it at our local 99-cent store. It's called Organicville. Organic, gluten-free, non-GMO. It says stone ground prepared mustard. USDA organic. And the ingredients are water, organic mustard seed, organic vinegar, salt, and organic spices. Okay, I happen to like it. It's good. It's affordable. I use it. Alright, so what I do is I put my mustard on both sides, and then I put my lettuce on one side. And by cutting it off the stem, I know it's going to be much more pliable. And I put my tomatoes on the other side. And then what we're going to do is going to use this. And we're going to use our scissors and we're going to cut this open. Okay, so that opened it up, and you just simply, now I'm kind of on a diet right now. I'm trying to eat a little bit better, so instead of using all the slices, I'm just going to use 2. I'm going to use 2 slices of the white bean and kale and lay them slightly overlapped like this, and just lay them like this. So now it is a delicious sandwich. I'm going to take a bite. It's not overly salty, and I think it has a very nice flavor. So for your next sandwich where you're using cold cuts, think about using the white bean and kale veggie deli slices from Lightlife. Thanks a lot for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.